Hi Lauren, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking a quick moment to review this little video. The point of this video is just to give you some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence. So I did a couple different things. So the first one I did is I went ahead and just Googled doggy daycare, Roseburg, Oregon. As you can see your ad up here. Awesome. Down here is what we call the map pack. This is where you want to aim to be. And then down here is what we call the organic listings. So again, you want to be on the first page, but definitely aim to be in this map pack. The second thing I searched for was dog training, Roseburg, Oregon, because you did wonders with my dog. And again, map pack, you want to aim to be up here and then the organic listings. So I'm going to go over just a few things. I'm going to go over content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'll kind of show you what it will be like if you do it. So content, anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on competition and number of keywords. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information. So in that content, you can strategically place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want for your website to be put in front of when people are searching for it. So for example, you do doggy daycare, you want to be able to tell Google that you do doggy daycare, so then they can tell their users, hey, this is a reputable place. They get a lot of business. They are a great service, kind of a thing. So let's look at a couple websites. So here's your website, great looking website. Definitely could use some more content because, like I said, Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. Here's another one. Pictures can be considered keywords as well, as long as they're labeled and applied correctly. And another one. So you can see there's a few different websites out there. This one definitely does not have as much content, but they are ranking in Google. So we'll take a look at that too. The second thing I want to go over is backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. The idea is that these links act like an endorsement of your website from others with Google users, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's almost like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins. However, they aren't all created equal. You definitely want relevant and quality versus quantity. So this is one site that we use. It's an expensive tool that we use to kind of compare websites. As you can see, you have 14 backlinks. This one has 46, and this one has 143. So I can go into here, look and see where all their backlinks are, and then we can match them and then beat them. Another great way to get you on Google and up in what we call the map pack is citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. There are places and directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. There's thousands of these directories out there and you can list your business in. It's very tedious and time consuming, but it's very easy to do. And these are what help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. The idea is these begin to add up, creating your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often in both by people and Google. Once Google sees you more than they see your competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And so that's kind of how you get up here. Another thing I wanted to show you, so organic traffic, it's not showing you're getting any. Here they're getting 75. Let's take a look at this one. They're getting 81. So organic traffic is, they're catching the people's eyes 81 times a month. So if you could even take some of that away from them by doing these quick little tips and tricks that I've kind of showed you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for taking the time to review this video, and I hope to hear from you soon.